Hello students, today we will discuss topic prepositions. Prepositions show the relationship between noun or pronouns and other words in sentence. For example, keep the plates on the table. Now plates is a noun and table is also a noun. On is showing the relation and means where to keep the plates. Keep the plates on the table. On is showing the relation between the plates and table. Prepositions are words that number one show us positions of noun. They tell us where people, objects, or things are. This is the example of it shows the place, position. Second is they show us the direction of movements, in which direction any person, things, or anything is moving. Third, they tell us about time. When we can know when something happened or will happen by the preposition used. From the prepositions we can know the time that when it happened or when it will happen. For examples, the birds are inside the nest, and here inside is showing where. Inside is showing the place where the birds are inside the nest. We are getting the answer of where. Second, they moved towards the north in winter. Now, from the two words, we come to know the direction. In which direction they moved? They moved in towards the north direction. Okay. Third is they came here in spring. From in, we got the answer of when. Okay, from in we got the answer of when. When they came here in the spring. Words like in, into, on, off, across, under, above, behind, near, with, through, over, by, and between are and are O-double-F of by and between are prepositions. Let us discuss the correct use of some prepositions among and between. First of all, for two people or things we use between preposition. For example, Rita is standing between her friends. There are three friends, Sonia, Rita and Madhu, and Rita is standing both between them, between Sonia and Madhu. There are only 3% and Rita is standing between Sonia and Madhu. Next, among. For more than two people or things we use among. For example, Rita is standing among her friends. Why we use here among? Because here more than two persons. For example, Rahmat, Sonia, Rita, Madhu and Kiran. Now, in the first example, there were two persons and Rita was standing between the both persons. Now, in this sentence, there are more than two persons. So, in these kind of sentences, we use among. Number 3, next is in or into. In shows preposition in one place. In shows position in one place. Vijay is, for example, Vijay is in his room. And here in is showing that one place. Vijay is where? In his room. Vijay is in one place, that is in his room. Next is into. Into shows a movement from one place to another. For example, the cat is going into the kitchen. Now the cat is moving from one place into the second place, that is kitchen. Okay, so because there is a motion, there is a movement, that time we use it into. And there we are talking about two places, from one place to another place. So that kind of sentences we use into. Next is beside or besides. Beside, B-E-S-I-D-E, beside. This beside means at the side of or near to. Come and sit beside me. means come and sit near to me. Next, besides, 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 with s besides, it means in addition to or as well. Beside singing, example is there, besides singing I also like to dance, means I like singing and also like dancing, means both things I like, not only dancing, singing also. Beside reading, Tamanna is interesting in painting. Okay students, I hope you understood all. Thank you.